some cool stuff with this. You can bet. New record this year? Next year. Gonna be some stuff on it with this. Tune this. Now basically this is a 6-string ukulele, but it's guitar, but you tune it like a ukulele with 6 strings. You can pick on with ukuleles, but when your guitar plays with it, basically you just tune your guitar standard and put a capo at the 5th fret. If you're not a guitar player, you probably have no clue as to what I'm talking about. Now you could tune this 440, but it'd be real low. I don't know if it would stay that way. It wasn't really designed. The neck is so short. I mean, this thing is tiny. And I like the finish on the guitar, though. It's beautiful. You see the back of that? Couldn't tell you what kind of wood, but I picked this thing up. I was like, man, I love this thing the way it plays. And it's very worth it. It doesn't take long to get marks on it. Pick marks and stuff for scratching. The wood's very soft. It's extremely soft. Stuff like this in your van and in your RV. It's not too loud for anybody else. And that's why my recording setup is so mobile. Of course, with technology anymore, you can do that stuff. I can do all my recording, anything I want to do in here, you know. Pretty cool indeed. So well, anyway, on a different tangent, people in this world can be so worthless. They really can be. I don't even get mad about it anymore because it's happened so much. It's it's happened to probably every one of you watching, where you made that one purchase and it was at a gas pump. And then your bank is going, hey, fraud alert. Who's this trying to charge $0 on your card? Well, I made 2 purchases today with some software from 2 different companies for my music, for recording stuff. But I was like, one of them had a free library, but they charged me $18, so they wouldn't run it for 0. And the time, I'd gotten gas in my car today. It was only 3 purchases. So the gas in my car was at $7.30. $7.49, somebody in West Virginia tried to charge it for 0 to see if the car would go through. 8 o'clock, 10 minutes later in Orlando, Florida, in a Target, someone's buying something. People are just worthless in this world, man. People just need to, as much effort as they put into stealing something, can you imagine what they could do and do so much better and be very successful? Actually do very good things in the world? You know, it's easy. That's just too easy. You know, why would you even suggest that? It's just too easy, you know. No, nobody would want to do crap like that. It's crazy. So that was, I wouldn't say excitement for the day, but it's just it's an inconvenience because I use that card for mostly everything and just pay on it each week because I don't feel like using my debit card. So just seems to be easy on that deal. So it's just an inconvenience for a few days until the new card comes in. But go figure, what can you do? You know, you deal with it, and thankfully the banks honor it and they don't pin you for it. They really don't. It's a common thing. But I got to think, one day they're going to get on top of that, where people just can't always stay ahead of the game and try to find something to beat the system. It's just crazy. That's why they're saying it's kind of walking around with your wallet in your back pocket. Excuse me. I'm fixing to go to sleep here a little bit. They've got these things that just right behind you, standing in a crowd of people, just read the information off your card. It's crazy, but it happens. It's true. It really is true. Hang on one second. We're going to put this back in the bag. We'll get to it later. Yeah. So anyway, that was that. It's been a slow week, as I said in my last video. And this weekend probably the same, just finishing up some things musically. And planning for next year. And I think next weekend is really, I want to just maybe get in the van here. And I want to go down where Beaufort, South Carolina, south of here. It's called Hunting Island State Park. I want to go hang out there for a night. And I'd like to maybe go see that lighthouse and walk up it. If I do, man, you know I'm going to be putting some footage on that. And then I'd like to go back to Tybee Island maybe again. But I want to just drive down to Key West and back. You know, I've been down there on a cruise ship. It's been years, but I haven't really driven down there. It's 2 hours from the southern tip of Florida. And, you know, just stay overnight just north of the Keys there and go down there for a day and then come back up and head home. You know, I think it would be cool just to get out of town for a few days. You know, before it starts getting real cold. So, hurricane season's over. That always sucks for us. It really does. So, but be it that it may. As I always say, if something cool comes on, you know I'm going to cut you in. And I thank you guys for watching so much. And I think I said in my last video, some of these van channels, man, if you guys are watching, let's cross-promote each other. Listen, I'll plug you. Plug me and we'll see if we can get some likes and some subscriptions. You know, if you're watching, hit like, subscribe, or just subscribe. And always appreciate it as it is. Thank you again for watching so much, and we'll talk at you guys later. Have a good one. Be cool. Bye.